Investor here, and this week, opposed to picking a stock of the week, we're going to compare two stocks, head to head. So, for everybody that's new to the channel, we discuss multiple topics such as investing, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle. And then to everybody that's been with us for a while, you guys know the deal. We appreciate your support. So we're gonna jump right into this comparison. So, both of them are household names, products that you've probably seen before in stores, gas stations, pretty much anywhere, vending machines, you name it. And these two companies battle for market share of a $200 billion industry, the soft drink industry at large. So, just to jump in and give you guys a couple of quick facts for both companies, let's jump at market cap. So, market cap is basically, the amount of shares that a company has times its stock price. So, right now, basically, the market cap for Coca Cola is $210 billion, and the market cap for Pepsi is around $165 billion. So, you've got Coca Cola at about 25% larger than Pepsi in terms of share of the market. In terms of dividends, they're pretty much identical. Both pay a little bit over 3.1%, so neck and neck there. However, the price for Coca-Cola and Pepsi, they differ a little bit. Coca-Cola is around $50 a share. Pepsi is around $117 a share. Both companies have great or not so great debt profiles. That's something to be aware of with both of these companies. However, Pepsi is in debt a lot further than Coca-Cola. Or actually, I apologize for that. They're actually about even. Their cash reserves is where the big discrepancy is. So, in terms of debt, both companies have about $32 billion in debt. The big difference is Coke has about 49 billion in cash reserves, and Pepsi only has about 19 billion. So, Coke could easily cover, their debt load if they had to pay it off. Right now, Pepsi couldn't do that. On the up hand, Pepsi's net income is about 2 billion more than Coca-Cola's right now. So they're making money at a faster rate. However, they have a lot less in terms of cash reserves. So let's jump into the next topic. Both of them have done fairly well in terms of adopting into a new landscape in terms of this market, this industry, because as probably in your lifestyle or people that people are fading away from soda, from sugary drinks, and both companies have done a good job of increasing their product lines with bottled water, with teas, with things of that sort, juices, things of that sort. So both companies have done great with that. In this area, in terms of extending their reach, I have to give the one up to Pepsi. Pepsi is actually branched out into snacks. Their acquisition or partnership with Frito Lay has given them a little bit further reach than Coca Cola, and that, in my opinion, is why their net income is while they're making money faster than Coca Cola right now, just because of that extended reach. So that's one up for Pepsi that they could be a better look than Coca Cola. On the flip side of that, Coca Cola has such a strong brand name and they put so much money into marketing and advertising, almost 3 to 4 times more money into marketing and advertising than Pepsi, that they're going to hold on to that brand awareness. People are always going to recognize Coke before they do Pepsi. And, Coke will always come to top of mind when you think about a brown soft drink. It's just, they've done the work, they've earned that. So, in my opinion, you got two different outlooks for a stock here. So both of them have a great dividend. So, you can't go wrong with either one of those. I don't think either one of these companies are going anywhere anytime soon, and they both pay a great dividend. So you can't go wrong with that. In my opinion, I look at Coca-Cola as, a cornerstone staple stock for your portfolio. It's a stock that you want to put there and you're going to get that dividend. You're not going to get crazy growth from Coca-Cola or for either of these stocks for that matter. I'll get into that side of Pepsi here shortly, but you're definitely not going to get the crazy growth from Coca-Cola, but you're going to get that consistent dividend as both of them have paid it out. And it has increased, over the last 25 years. It's been consistent. So, you're going to get that. And just with the continuous spending of marketing dollars, that company is going to stay at top of mind. They have more cash than they do debt. They're still, making good net income. And they have about $6.5 billion of free cash flow as well. So a strong cornerstone piece is what I would consider Coca-Cola. And I am a Coca-Cola shareholder, full disclosure. So in terms of Pepsi, I think if you're looking for something that's in this, if you want to get in this space, if you want to invest in this space, but you want a little bit more potential for growth, I would go with Pepsi because of the reason of the extended reach into other industries, into the snack industry. I think they have some room to grow and continue to increase their product line in both soft drinks and snacks. So if you wanted potential for a little bit more growth with the safe dividend, however, you got to consider the debt to cash ratio is not in their favor right now. However, they are making money at a faster rate, so it could correct itself. So if you wanted potential for a growth stock, well, I wouldn't even call it 100% growth stock, but more growth than Coca-Cola in this space, Pepsi wouldn't be a bad option. So it really comes down to what you want to accomplish. If you want an opportunity for a little bit more growth, go with Pepsi. If you want something that has, to be a cornerstone in your portfolio, I think Coke is the better option. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more comparisons like this, please leave it in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.